Welcome back to the North Country Gentleman on this somewhat unplanned adventure. I hope you really enjoy, and let's get started. "4:30 a.m. comes quickly, but it was completely worth it. We were out on the road by 5 o'clock. There was no traffic and it was beautiful. It was the perfect start to a nice, relaxing day. Made it down to Hampton in pretty good time in order to meet up with the crew of the Yellowbird. This is the second time I've been out with these folks, and they're absolutely wonderful. We had an amazing time. The crew is always fantastic, and we had perfect weather. The sea was like glass. Unfortunately, I didn't really plan ahead, and it never occurred to me that it is very difficult to take video of yourself fishing while holding the camera and the fishing rod. So unfortunately, there is no actual footage of me fishing. However, I can tell you that we did have a wonderful time. We caught quite a few fish. We ended up with, I believe, 5 keepers, 4 haddock and a pollock, which are currently sitting in the freezer, and will be used to make some of the most incredible fried fish, which I will do a video on for you. All in all, it was just a wonderful, relaxing day. And I really hope that if you enjoy this video, that you will like and subscribe. And if you are looking to charter a boat to go deep sea fishing, I highly recommend the Yellowbird out of Hampton. They are phenomenal.